guys, for today's video, dinner time. Ayan. Veggie soup. Oh, kinemerot. Veggie soup. Yan. With meatballs. Ayan. May carrots, corn, and then broccoli with egg. Ayan. Tsaka itong Indonesian food na binigay sa akin ng aking friend. Birthday niya daw, kaya ayan ang pakain niya. So, let's try na. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. May veggie din sa loob. Parang fried lumpia. Ayan na, malambot lang. Try natin. Siyempre, lagyan natin ng ketchup. Ayan. Sabi na. Kaya bum-bum na. Tapos yung soup.